Gifting. I think this year we have got some of the best selection I've had actually for Christmas gifting. So stocking fillers, something for yourself, something for your mother-in-law or sister. We've got an array from jewellery, socks, beanies, and jewellery cases. So if I start with socks, I'll just walk it through with you. We've got really great quality but inexpensive socks from the likes of Lollys Laundry and Essentiel Antwerp. So they are really good Secret Santas or stocking fillers. We've got more expensive gifting here, which is Bijoux jewellery. So I'm wearing one of their artisan earrings here. There's a selection of silver and gold. They're from Paris. They are absolutely brilliant. A more elevated gift, a more thoughtful gift, but I would totally recommend those. If someone is really stuck or you're really stuck, we do have vouchers both for the boutique and online. So I'm just going to show you what the boutique vouchers look like. Now these are actually very, very popular in the final week running up to Christmas. People run in and get vouchers, which they can use at any time. There's no time limit on those. Back to beanies and cashmere wraps. One of my favourites is this Absolut cashmere wrap, which this shape comes in 4 brilliant colours. So you could go for a pop colour like this, or you could go for more of a neutral grey or an oatmeal. So these are just fantastic purchases, maybe for your mother-in-law or something like that. If you're needing a beanie, again, these are kind of inexpensive. They go from about £49. So you've got Bellerose beanies here. You've got Munthe beanies. You've got cashmere beanie here. A really good cashmere beanie that's just come in is this one here. So these are from the British brand Jumper 1234. They are £49 for 100% cashmere. And I'm just going to show you what they're like. Really good fun. And they come in 3 other colours. So the pink, the cream, the navy. And if you wanted to go all out, I would go for the matching little fingerless gloves, which again are really reasonable. They're £39. We don't have many of these. These are selling really fast actually. Talking about mitts and fingerless gloves, this is a really good one. So this is a more sort of meatier cashmere. It's £79 from Beta. Absolutely lovely if you wanted to give someone a bit more of a treat. We've had these before, but never in an animal print. These little mitts here from Bellerose. So how lovely are those? And then finally, on to our new brand, which we found at Copenhagen Fashion Week. It's a beautiful brand called Bon Dep, and they use Liberty prints. So we've chosen 3 of our favourite Liberty prints, and they are jewellery boxes, and they are eye masks, and they are makeup pouches. So they're really, really great gifts. This one is £62.50. I would actually love one of those in my handbag. And you've got their little jewellery boxes here, which are around £44. So how good is that with this little secret compartment? So these are just online and in our Richmond boutique. And I just wanted to show you, I think this is a really easy pick up and go Christmas gifting selection.